And I'm Craig.
Welcome back. Okay, guys. Today we're having...
We have crab cakes. We have shrimp. We have scallops. We have mussels. And we have asparagus. Pray, most Lord God, thank you for this food. I speak nourishment, strength, our bodies. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen, guys. I hope everybody had a wonderful day. I had a long day. Pretty tired right now. But I'm glad to be with you guys once again to share our
crab cakes, y'all.
Dinner.
Yes, I'm ready to eat. I've been waiting on Pam. She running late. And so, y'all know a brother is hungry. I am hungry. I'm chasing all the food away from the
my goodness.
front of the thing.
He's ready, but I don't see my tartar sauce, y'all.
Oh. I ain't looking no tartar sauce.
Anyways, I'm going to go for what I got. All right, guys. Let's see.
Ooh, I'm ready, y'all.
I'm
ready.
Let me eat one of my shrimp, y'all. My shrimp.
I'm ready.
Y'all know I like to set up.
Yeah, she do.
I like to set up.
She do like to say that. Shrimp.
And it's good. It's delicious.
Guys, we got a big discussion we have to discuss today.
What is that?
We're going to discuss what we're going to do. Our pool. When did our pool collapse?
In December when we got home.
Our pool collapsed when we got home. So, we need to make a decision. Another pool is going to be expensive. I'm trying to go out the cheapest way, y'all. What you want to do?
I wouldn't mind having an in-ground pool because the last one we had was above ground. And after about over 15 years it collapsed.
It was a long time. Okay, so what about the decision you said about like we have a deck with it too, y'all, a raised deck. So if we don't get another pool, we got to take the raised deck down. And that's gonna cost us a lot of money.
You think so?
Take the whole deck apart or just lower the deck.
I was thinking just lower it down.
And then lower down. And then we're gonna do what?
Make like a fire pit in front of it. You know, like a overhead like picnic area or cookout area.
I know. You know how expensive that's gonna be.
Well, you know how expensive getting a pool gonna be. And yearly maintenance.
The cheapest thing I think I can do is get a row up above ground pool like we have. And
that pool won't cheap.
It's cheaper than what you're thinking. It's the cheapest solution.
The cheapest solution is don't do nothing.
No. You gotta do something. We got a raised deck with no pool.
Lower that deck. lower that deck.
And no pool.
Take it down.
Lower the deck with no pool.
Yo, I don't know what to do.
I got a hard decision to make.
I'm hungry. And I enjoy the pool, but at the same token, it was a lot of work. I'm really not missing it. At all. So, I don't know.
Okay. Well, we got a decision. I don't know what we're gonna do, but let's see which world that's bringing y'all into my life. What's going on? That's the dilemma that I got. We gotta make a decision one way or the other.
Y'all see I'm hungry, right?
Hopefully the cheapest solution for me.
Right now with everything else going on,
A people at home be the best thing.
that's swimming pool is the last thing on my mind.
But with quarantine and stuff going on, a swimming pool at home be the best thing. You don't have to go nowhere.
I mean, that is true, but
We can vacation, right? Okay.
I heard somebody say, get your house ready for staycation.
Or staycation.
Mm-hmm. I mean, stay at home.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Get your house ready for staycation.
If we get everything prepared, we ain't gotta go nowhere. Hey, we take our vacation. That's saving money right there. Come here, I'm scoop.
What you mean?
That's
Because
saving money because we ain't gotta go on vacation. What you think about that? Just take the vacation money and just buy a pool.
you could do that.
Cause we're gonna spend about, how much you estimate?
Above ground pool is expensive, so
No, I'm talking about in ground is more. What you want? The in ground, that's more expensive.
I just thought I'd throw it out there.
Where you think it was gonna land when you throw it out there? Want some more asparagus? Another piece?
Yeah.
Nah, these are the two pieces. Asparagus cooked too much for you.
A little bit too much, but I'm not gonna complain. Y'all see I'm eating with my fingers too, right?
I was waiting. On you to get home. And that's why kind of like overcooked.
These scallops are also good.
I know. These muscles hitting though.
My keto people, I hope you guys are staying motivated.
Yes. Please do. Don't forget to comment if y'all need something.
I'm good for y'all. But I don't know, I'm a little greedy. And these shrimp look too good to pass by.
Mm-hmm. So the decision is,
I don't know.
that's a lot of help. Alright. Whatever y'all say in the comment. If y'all say put the pool back up, we're gonna put the pool back up. If y'all say what you say you wanted? In-ground pool. Don't say that one. No in-ground pool. Because that's too expensive.
I really don't want a pool.
Or the, what you say, the rock? The fire pit?
Yeah,
Or something lower and then make a fire pit garden? I don't know that neither.
like a patio, relaxing area.
Guys, y'all know what to do. Put the comments in now. Let us know what we're going to do. Help us make this decision. Alright, y'all. We are going to get out of here. We love y'all. Don't forget, leave me a message of what to do. Because we're in a dilemma right now. For real. We really do need y'all help. Because I need to make a decision before summertime.
It's over.
Alright.
Before summer is over? It's already
Somebody started yet, is it?
Yes.
Oh, it is? All right.
What is wrong with him?
Well, before summer ends.
He been sleeping, y'all.
Before summer ends. All right. Don't forget
To like, share, and subscribe.
All right, guys. Peace out. We love y'all.
Love you. God bless.